everyone, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. Today's video is an unboxing and this one is from OUTDOORTIDE, and as usual I will link the products shown in today's video in the video description box down below, and I will also provide a link to OUTDOORTIDE themselves, and any discount codes will be written down below as well. Okay, so I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful December day, and hope you're not too stressed on the run up to Christmas. It can be a mad time of year, as I know from, experiencing it myself with 4 children. It's very manic and very crazy, but it's important for us to take a minute and to think about the real reason for the season, which is Christ. Yes, that little baby born in a manger, and he didn't have lots of expensive gifts to be born into or anything, so it's important to have that at the heart of all the festivities. Okay, so let's get started. I have 2 products to show you today, both off canvases, because I'm really into my off canvas projects at the moment, and I'm going to start with the smaller one first. Here we go. So the box is a little bit battered, but that's okay, because it's just, they've obviously used it just for added protection with the post, because obviously these packages do get boxed around a bit. Right, let's have a look what we've got here. So it's been so long I can't remember what I actually purchased, or ordered even. I'm going to let you know, as usual, the prices at the end of the video, okay guys? So, comes with your standard toolkit, green boat, pink pen and a little bit of wax. That's all you need to diamond paint. Simply just put a little bit of the pink wax into the pen, and then pour your gems in there, all your diamonds, and just pick them up one by one and place them on your project. Okay, so there's our diamonds. It's all crystals, I think. Can't see any specials in there. We'll have a look in a minute. Comes with a base. This one has frosted glass on it, but if you remove it, which you don't have to, it would be clear both sides. Okay, so it's your choice if you want to keep the cover on or off. Okay, and this is the one that I chose. Let me zoom you in. It's only a dinky little one. So it is underneath the gingerbread houses category, and we have a little snowman down there, some candy canes, and the house is all decorated. I just thought it looked really sweet and cute, but to me it looks a bit like a Lego house. I don't know why, but it just does. But yes, it's very cute, and we've got all the Christmas decorations on here, and it will look fantastic once it's finished. Let's have a look on the back. It's only all these ornaments, all the acrylic ones, all the wooden ones that I've been showing over the past few weeks, they are all single-sided. Okay, if they were double-sided I would have said, but yeah, no, they're all single-sided. I think you can pull this backing off as well if you want to. I don't know why. Yeah, you can pull it off if you don't want the backing on, but you would see more of the print. I don't know, it's up to you if you want to pull the backing off or not, really. But that's the front of it. Nice clear drill field. Does feel a little bit dusty, but that's okay as long as the adhesive is good, and you can always give the gems a quick wipe down with some window cleaner and a wet wipe, just to bring out the best shine in our diamonds. Okay, so it looks like they're numerical and alphabetical, the symbols on this one. Okay, let me just check the quality of the adhesive, which I know is always really good on here. Let's have a look. Yep, very good. Let me give it a smell test. No, there's no odour there whatsoever, so that's really good for asthmatics like myself. Okay, let me give it a quick measure so I can let you know the size roughly. 20 centimetres by 'm going to go with the base here. By about 17. Yeah, by about 17, 20 by 17 centimetres. Okay, really like that. It's a really cute one. Okay, so the diamonds, we don't have any specials on here. It's all crystal rhinestones, and we have 17 colours altogether. Okay, let's have a look here. So we've got our soft amber colours there, not amber, soft brown, sorry, yellow, green, dark blue, that's like a soft blue there, magenta, black, like a greyishy tone there. It's like a soft clear, I think. No, it's not clear. It's got like a little bit of blue in the middle there. Very light blue. There we go. Dark green there. Red. And that's our clear. So yes, very nice diamonds, very shiny. Okay, so if you were using a multi-placer you could get this done in quick time, but if you're single placing it might take you, say, maybe a day or two. Who knows, it depends on how quickly you diamond paint. Okay, so that's lovely, that little house. I really like that. Let me zoom you back out. It's really cute. Okay, let me pause you and I'll get the next item out. Right, so the next one, the box is very, very squashed. It's as flat as a pancake, literally. Okay, so let's have a look and check the inside contents. Okay, so hang on, comes with your standard kit, and this one has a chain, So it's going to be hung up somewhere nice. Maybe in the garden at summertime. Look nice, wouldn't it? Okay. And the chain is just like a standard silver chain there. Yes. Okay. So as you can see, it's a beautiful, hang on a second, has a bit snapped off because I'm seeing something. Let me check the box. Let me check it. Oh dear. I think we've lost a bit. I think we have. If it was in the box, I could try and glue it back on myself, you see. Never mind, never mind. We'll carry on. We'll carry on. I have to inform the company of what's happened. Okay. So, as you can see, it's a bird cage. And it's supposed to have like a little bit at the top like that. But I can see that it's obviously broken off in transit. You know, when it's been delivered. So I will let Outdoor Tide know, but this is the item. It's the acrylic again, and yes, it's a cardinal, is that? I think that's a cardinal, and it's sitting on its little wire cage, and it has quite a few specials on this one, I think. Let me have a look. I think, oh dear, let's have a look down here. Yeah, I think this one has quite a few different bits that are missing, because I'm just looking at down here. Hang on a second. And you can see that perhaps, yeah, there's supposed to be another bit of something down here, maybe. It's difficult to tell, but it's a shame about that. I'll have to have a look in the outer packaging, see if it's come out somewhere. But anyway, it's a shame because it's so pretty as well. Let's have a look. This one measures in at 22.5 centimeters by, now if it was with the top, I'm going to measure it with the top there, okay, by about 28.5 centimeters. So it's a decent size. It's just a shame, isn't it? It's always a shame when things get broken in the post, but you know what, it is what it is. It comes a very long way, and I just wish if they used bubble wrap. You know, I do think bubble wrap would be more effective than cardboard boxes, but you know, all I can do is advise the company, really. Adhesive is good. Let me take a quick. There's a slight odour on there with the glue, but not too bad at all. It's nice and clear as well. As you can see, nice clear drill area. Okay. There we go. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let's have a look now. So, let's have a look at the diamonds. Different colours and shapes. Let's have a look. So we have some red marquees, an orange AB medium-sized rhinestone there, and you can really see the AB coating. For those of you who are new, AB coatings are Aurora Borealis, that's what they stand for, and it's just an extra layer of shine that is applied to the top of the diamond to give it a Northern Lights effect, so it throws off a lot more different colours, as you can see. Okay, then we have a red teardrop, a brown, red, black, another red, like a purple there, a green, very vibrant green, clear, blue, and a dark amberish colour there. Yes. Okay, let me pop these all away and I'll get the prices for you. Okay, so first things first, this beautiful bird cage is $12.08, £9.54. Okay, and then this gorgeous gingerbread house, Christmas themed obviously, that is $8.99, £7.10. Okay, and I think this is definitely my favourite out of the two. Most definitely, I think it's going to look gorgeous. Okay guys, so huge thank you to Outdoor Tide for gifting me these products, and as usual, if I could ask you to please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and hit the little notification bell which will notify you of my future video uploads. Okay, take care, God bless, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now guys. Bye.